Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can simulate a molecule using Python. So I'll be teaching chemistry after a very long time and I need some tools, so that's why I want my students to visualize how molecules are behaving. Okay, so I need a program that can do it using Python. So this is the code. I'm now going to discuss it one by one. Nonetheless, I'm going to put the codes or the link of the code or the link of the document where you can find the code in the description box. So please see it if you want the code, and please install Python and the right library so you can run this code, because if not, this is a little complex. You'll not be able to run it properly, and I made some adjustments before I can run this code. You need to have the right bond angles for this to work, else your water will not look like water. That's how it is. So this is the final output, and for me this is okay. um, you can do a model for carbon dioxide for the atomic gases will also work here, and yeah, some gases and liquids. Alright, so I haven't tried for solids but or crystals, not yet, but I think you can also do it here. Okay, so it's the content of the video for now. See you next time.